Introducing Dependable Skimflow NP, a premium hybrid cementitious self-leveling underlayment. Skimflow NP is engineered with a blend of carefully selected gypsum and Portland cements. The hybrid nature of Skimflow NP ensures the superior benefits of the volume stability of gypsum, while ensuring a hard, smooth surface of cementitious materials and accelerated cure times. While cementitious materials are shrinkage compensated, Skimflow NP is non-shrink. The gypsum content of Skimflow NP maintains the fire rating of your existing gypsum floors. The working characteristics have been refined to ensure an underlayment that flows exceptionally and provides a superior, smooth, self-sealed surface. Contractors who have typically struggled with self-leveling underlayments have remarked at how easy it is to get brilliant outcomes with Skimflow NP. Step 1. Prepare your subfloor. Please refer to the Skimflow NP product data sheet for more specific installation instructions. Substrates must be sound, stable, and clean. Remove anything that is not well bonded or a bond breaker. Vacuum dirt and debris, and verify any adhesive residue is suitable to receive underlayment installation. Step 2. Prime. Prime the prepared surface with Dependable's Primer A. For porous substrates, dilute the primer 3:1 and spread with soft-tipped brooms to achieve penetration. On non-porous substrates like the epoxy shown, apply the primer neat in a tight, thin film by paint roller. Reference the Primer A data sheet for more specific instructions. Primer dries quickly and is typically ready for the installation of the underlayment 45 to 75 minutes after application. Step 3. Mixing. Mix Skimflow NP with 5 quarts of water per 50-pound bag. Using a 650 RPM drill or pump, mix the product to a lump-free consistency for 2.5 minutes. While mixing, note that Skimflow NP creates less than 50% of the dust of typical sloughs. Step 4. Pouring. Once the product is mixed, empty the contents of the barrel onto the floor in ribbons as shown. Use a gauge rake to set the material depth and work the product into the desired area. Finally, as a last touch, smooth the material with a smoother or porcupine roller. Skimflow NP has a 20-minute working time. Do not mix more product than you can install in 20 minutes. The required dry time for Skimflow NP depends on the depths poured and the finished flooring being installed and may vary between 16 hours and 3 days. Please reference the data sheet. Take great satisfaction in knowing that your finished floor will rest on a superior, smooth substrate, the kind of substrate that will contribute to the quality of finish and longevity of the finished flooring. Whether you use patch or self-leveling underlayments to prepare your subfloors, you owe it to yourself to try Skimflow NP once to see what all the fuss is about.